Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Okay, the iPhone 14 is expected to launch this September, a year after the arrival of the iPhone 13, but of course, it won't be just one phone. As ever, the iPhone 14 should comprise a whole family of handsets, with 2 standard models and 2 higher-end Pro handsets. So the rumors say, anyway, and with credible, history-proven sources all saying much the same thing, there's every reason to believe them. So here we're turning our attention to the future Pro variants, which should be called the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. What will they offer over the standard models? Will they be much better than the current iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max? Apple is expected to announce a new iPhone range in September. Apple has done so for years now, with the exception of the 2020's iPhone 12, which was delayed until October due to the pandemic. Apple is yet to announce a release date, but Apple's past events do give us a clue as to when the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max will land. The firm tends to favor the second Tuesday of the month. This was the case with the iPhone 13, which launched on September 14, 2021. If Apple sticks to this, the dates for your diary this year would be Tuesday, September 13, 2022. While the standard iPhone 14 will reportedly begin at the same $799 price as the iPhone 13, the other devices in the family could be in for a $100 price rise. That includes the 2 iPhone 14 Pro models, that would leave the iPhone 14 Pro costing $1,099, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max with a price tag of $1,199. Remember, these are starting prices. If you want more storage, you'll need to dig a little deeper into your pockets. The Pro and Pro Max could be in for slimmer bezels than their non-Pro siblings. That's according to Ice Universe, who posted a picture to support his claim. Slimmer bezels would mean more usable screen space. These slimmer bezels and new cutouts are expected to make for ever so slightly larger screens, too. According to Young, he reckons the screen sizes will enlarge fractionally, from 6.06 to 6.12 inches on the iPhone 14 Pro, and 6.68 to 6.69 inches on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Compared to the iPhone 13 Pro models, it's all change around the back as well. A chunkier camera bump is the order of the day for the Pro handsets, according to recently emerged leaked schematics. Not only that, both handsets will be slightly fatter than their predecessors, though the change in dimensions will reportedly be minimal. According to Ming Chi Kuo, this larger camera bump is to accommodate a new 48MP sensor for the main camera, a big upgrade on the 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max's 12MP sensor. The diagonal length of 48MP CIS will increase by 25 to 35%, and the height of 48MP's 7P lens will increase by 5 to 10%, as leaked. So, that is it guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.